How to add roles to your Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and log into your account. Then on the left side, click on one of the server, then click on the server's name at the top. Here, click on server settings. After you click on server settings, on the left side, scroll down and click on roles. Then, click on create role. Here you'll find different roles. Select the role you want to create. I'm just going to select new role. Then you can also add new name if you want. Role color. You can change icon if you want. Then you'll find all these settings. If you want to turn it on, make sure you turn it on. If not, turn it off. You'll find permissions. If you want to give permission to the person with the role, select all these settings. After you're done, press on Save Changes. After you've done this, new role has been created. You can also select it and drag it at the top, down, or wherever you want. This is like the hierarchy of the role. And this is how to add roles in Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.